Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make chocolate banana paniyaram. This is a very unique and quick snack recipe. Very easy and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, crack in an egg. Beat it well for 2 minutes until they are nice and fluffy. Now it's well done, so go ahead and add half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of regular cooking oil and 2 ripe bananas mashed. You can go with your favorite variety of banana. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix it well and make sure no lumps are formed. Finally, to this add 1 tablespoon of milk and mix well. Now we have the perfect consistency and our chocolate banana paniyaram batter is now ready. So let's go and make the paniyaram. Heat a cast iron paniyaram pan. To this add 1 teaspoon of ghee in each segment. When the ghee is hot, add 1 scoop of batter in each segment. Let this cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, both sides are well cooked and crispy, so it's time to remove them. Now a delicious chocolate banana paniyaram is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick snack recipe. So do try this chocolate banana paniyaram recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.